அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம், நமஸ்தே, and good morning to everyone. So, as you are aware, I'm in last April, no? So, in last April, I just appeared on IGBC AB exam. So, it was conducted by CAA IGBC, Confederation of Indian Industries and Indian Green Building Council. Okay, so during that exam, I scored around 88%, I think. So 88%, with the 88%, I just cleared that exam, and now I can proudly say that I am a green building professional. Okay, so certified green building professional. I can tell that I am the green building professional. Okay, so before this exam, no. So before this exam, say I don't have any certification and all. So after my BE, I didn't do anything actually. So I just keep doing on my jobs with the different companies. And when I thought to do some certification, so with respect to, see, since I'm taking care of the project in my company, I'm taking care of data center, facility management, whatever it is, but mostly with my experience, mostly I'm taking care of, I'm part of the project also. So, and also when I started to do any project, no, so I want to think something is different. I want to do something. I thought to do something benefited to the company and benefited to the society and benefited to the environment. So after hearing this IGBC AP, okay, so one of my friend is told that you just crack this exam and you will get more confidence and you can do further certification also. Like see, after a long gap, almost for 12 years, right, in 2011 passed out, and almost 12 years experience. So after a long time, so I just wanted to do some of certification. Hence first I decided to appear on IGBC AP, and see, when I started to read the books like NBC codes and IGBC new green building rating system and existing green building rating system and factory system, I mean factory IGBC green factories and homes, and all the when I started to read all the things, and only a few models will come in all the area, like for example I'm saying for indoor air quality and what innovation and development and site energy efficiency. Okay, energy efficiency and a lot of, see, such a model like a 6 to 7 model will come in IGBC things, and already I posted some of video which related to IGBC topic as well. So in order to give some awareness to the people, and so in order to give some teaching to the candidate who's going to appear on the IGBC AP exam. Okay, so see, after reading, no, and really I understand more concept, like how to do the project in the efficient manner, and how to do the reduce the what are the strategy we can incorporate in the projects during the construction, like we have to involve sustainable, we have to use the sustainable building, we have to follow the waste management things and everything. So I learned much lot, and after that what is the IGBC process. For example, if you want to get the IGBC certification for your building, so what is the process, so what is the score we have to take for in order to become a gold certified, get the gold certification from the IGBC, CA, IGBC, or platinum or certified, okay, and silver. So what is the process, what is the minimum score, what is the minimum what is the mandatory thing we have to follow, what is the minimum score we have to achieve in order to get the certificate from the IGBC. So all the things I have learned, and I'm proudly say that I'm technically strong in this section, and I have not don't have the opportunity to appear on the IGBC certification process. And definitely I hopefully in my future in upcoming days, and definitely I will be participating in IGBC. I'll be a part of IGBC certification in somewhere where the people are going to interested to get the certification, and definitely I will be part of that team. Okay, and this is the courier which I got from Confederation of Indian Industries yesterday. Okay, so what are the things is there? I'm just opening. I have not seen. I just open this one and I'm just showing along with this. Okay, that's it. Let me. So business card for me. So this is my first business card in my my almost I have 12 years experience, and I am working as a assistant manager only. I am not a project manager or facility manager. I am looking to get that job soon, and this is my first business card. Okay, thank you IGBC for giving this, and definitely I can. I'm ready to do some what. I'm really interested to participate on the IGBC certification process, and definitely where are the chances will come, no, definitely I will utilize all my knowledge, all my learnings in upcoming my project. And this is the thing, business card, and this is IGBC AP certificate. Okay, what is there? I'm happy to inform that. Okay, yeah. So this is the one of the letter which they are given to me. It's the 5th May date only is there, and this is my certification. Okay. So and, thank you IGBC again. Thank you for giving this thing like certification and thing. And really thank you so much. And definitely I keep spreading these things to the younger engineer or my friends, my brothers, sisters, and definitely all has to learn these things. And definitely why I am saying we have to crack this, and definitely we are see everybody now starting towards net zero, carbon neutrality, and something new. And definitely after achieving this, definitely you can able to contribute on the this like to achieve the net zero, to achieve the carbon neutrality, or to become the sustainability building, no, and definitely will be you can able to contribute to your company. Okay, so thank you so much again for IGBC Indian Building Council, and thank you everyone for watching this video. I just want to say see, already I uploaded the video, like I have passed this exam, but this month only, in last April I appeared on this exam, and yesterday only I got this certification. So thank you so much IGBC, and thank you for all the motivator to motivating me to do this exam. Actually basically I have less confidence in my life still, last few years back, no, and till few years back, and have my less confidence in my mindset is not like in that way only. So and after what starting the channel, YouTube channel, and after seeing more friends, after discussing with the technical experts, I get that I can able to do anything in my life, anything in my professional life, that how I have that confidence now. And this certification is also boosting me to do something new in my career, and also I now I definitely I will do something to definitely I will achieve something in my life, and I will contribute to the society, and I will contribute to our Indian industries, something new. What are the contribution I can make it, no? So I can extend my contribute to all the things. Okay, so thank you again. Bye.